Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. Today our topic: what is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting and advertising products, services, or brands using various digital channels and technologies. It encompasses a wide range of online marketing strategies and tactics that aim to reach and engage with a target audience through digital platforms such as websites, search engines, social media, email, mobile apps, and more. Digital marketing leverages the power of the internet and digital technologies to create brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, increase sales, and build customer relationships. It involves a combination of different marketing techniques, including 1. Search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing websites and content to improve their visibility and rankings in search engine results pages, leading to increased organic, non-paid traffic. 2. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, running paid advertising campaigns where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. This includes platforms like Google Ads, Bing Ads, and social media advertising. 3. Social media marketing, promoting products or services on various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube to engage with audiences, build brand awareness, and drive traffic. 4. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable and relevant content such as blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and ebooks to attract and engage a target audience, with the goal of driving profitable customer actions. 5. Email marketing, sending targeted emails to prospects and customers to nurture leads, promote products, deliver personalized content, and build customer relationships. 6. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influential individuals or social media personalities who have a significant following and leveraging their reach and influence to promote products or services. 7. Affiliate marketing, partnering with affiliates who earn a commission for driving traffic or sales to a business through their own marketing efforts. 8. Mobile marketing, optimizing marketing campaigns for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets, through techniques like mobile ads, mobile apps, and SMS, short message service, marketing. 9. Video marketing, using video content to promote products or services, deliver messages, engage with audiences, and build brand awareness. This includes platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and live streaming platforms. 10. Analytics and data-driven marketing, leveraging data and analytics tools to track, measure, and analyze the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions and optimize their strategies. Digital marketing offers businesses the opportunity to reach a global audience, target specific demographics, track and measure campaign performance, and engage with customers in real time. It has become an essential component of modern marketing strategies, allowing businesses to adapt and thrive in the digital age.